Hey guys, I'm back. Today I have here a house where we remove some bricks. We're giving this house a facelift. So we remove the bricks and we're gonna install permacan stone. So remove the brick from the entire section there where you see the Tyvek is. My crew come in here and they remove all the bricks. Shout out to Henry, he came and he removed all the bricks. And now I'm here to do the stone work. I want to give you a walkthrough of the whole project, show you the stone. You know the drill. Let's dive into it. So over here, he didn't cut it. You can see maybe they will just break it off, but we're gonna plumb down a straight line here, nice and straight. And afterwards, we're gonna have to drill into our brick with some top gun screw so that we can tie the brick wall and the stone wall together. Let me take you over here. So we're doing stone right along the entire front section here. Before it was brick, we're gonna go around underneath the window with stone, come right around here. Underneath the window here, we're gonna raise it up to around here. We're gonna have sills, come right around, stone in there. This section here, gonna go all the way up to the gable. So it's going all the way up. Let me take you over here and show you the stone that we're about to use. So this is the stone that we have here. It's permacan stone. I believe it's a 3-dimension. We have here a small, a medium. This is the jumbo that we have here. If you zoom up on the name, this is the stone. So with no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more upcoming video like this one. Let's get started. All right, guys. So now we're gonna start the fun. Okay, so now we're gonna start. We're gonna start from in the corner here. Gonna fold up our Tyvek just so that we have space to work. Gonna bend it or fold it. For the corner here, we're just gonna fold it just like you see I'm doing it here. Just gonna fold the corner. That way we can make a return in the corner. So now that we're finished to install our weeping plastic, we install our Tyvek. Now we're gonna go ahead and start to install our tape. Okay, so I went over there and I measured my sill. So now we're gonna measure our sill is 3.25. So we're gonna measure 4 half-inch joint plus we need 1/4-inch caulking space here. So we're gonna go with 3.25. Our biggest size stone that we have here is 11.5. So we're gonna measure 11.5 down plus 1/2-inch joint. And we're gonna keep repeating that until we reach right down to the bottom, just to see if we need to do any cut. We'd rather to do the cut down here rather than do it up here. So if we put a small one right here now, the small one will take us right to where we need to be for the sill. So we don't have to do any form of cut once we get up there. Now we're gonna start the fun, guys. We'll spread some water. So you done that, we're going to do Tyvek. I'll do weeping plastic and tape up the scene just like what I do over the other side there, so I can come around. So we're just gonna start with this one here. First one, I put it down. Want to level and make sure that she's nice and level. It's hard. I don't know where am I gonna find time to even. How much big? How much regular size? Leave it to dry a little bit more.